Hi, Nick Puzo with Multiplex. I'm here with our Freshblender self-serve smoothie machine. Today we're going to talk about the temporarily out of service screen. You see you get your little frowny emoji here, and the machine is not able to be used or make drinks currently. We're going to discuss why this screen shows up and how to correct it. When this screen appears, it's usually because a cleaning is due. Either daily, weekly, or an ice maker cleaning. In order to determine what cleaning may be due, you'll have a little sunshine screen that appears in the upper left corner of the screen. If you touch on that sunshine, it's going to tell you why that screen is there. Currently, it's telling me it's temporarily out of service because the weekly cleaning is due. So in order to get rid of that screen and put the machine back into operation, we'll have to perform the weekly cleaning. If daily was due, it would tell you here that it was due if the daily lockout was on. Weekly is you cannot turn a lockout off for weekly. Weekly will always lock the machine out if it's not performed in every 7 days. You also notice that there's a clear all button here at the bottom of the screen. If you press it, it looks like you've gotten rid of the message for weekly cleaning, but it doesn't make the machine go back into service because the cleaning has not been performed. The sunshine stays there and your weekly cleaning timer is still expired. So we're going to have to go into the password screen by doing your three-corner touch. You're going to enter your password in order to enter either the employee or manager screens. Service can also access this if service was to perform the cleaning. Once you have access to your employee or manager's home screen, you're going to go to cleaning instructions in the upper left. And if you see here, you've got little sunshines next to daily, weekly, and blender cleaning. Those are telling you, those are reasons that sunshine would appear in the main screen as well. It was telling us, it was prompting us for the weekly cleaning because it was locked out because of weekly cleaning, but by performing the weekly cleaning, you will reset the daily and the blender sanitizing timers. In order to start your weekly cleaning, you're going to go ahead and touch on the Start Cleaning button. The screen's going to prompt you. It's going to tell you the supplies to gather. You're going to perform everything the screens tell you to do until completion. Drain cleaning. Yep. Once you've progressed through all the cleaning steps, which will clean all the lines in the machine, which will clean the dispensing area and the blender area, you get to the final screen that has a confirm button at the bottom. Not until you press this confirm button will the timers get reset on the machine. If for some reason you lost power or you exited somehow and this button didn't get pressed, you'd have to redo all the cleaning again in order to make that screen go away. So we're going to go ahead and touch that confirm button. Takes us back to the manager's home. If you look at cleaning instructions again, you notice that all our timers have reset. We now have 23 hours on daily, we have 6 days on weekly. The blender cleaning and sanitizing is set to 3. What that's saying though is there's actually some time that's expired. So daily is a 24-hour process. Every 24 hours, daily cleaning needs to be performed. Weekly needs to be performed every 7 days. And blender cleaning, if by health code you're required to do the blender cleaning, is every 4 hours. So now that those are all reset, we can go log out. And if we go back into the main drink making screen, we notice our sad face is gone. We can now press touch to start and we have our drink selections back. We can now make our drinks again and the machine can go back into service.